In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add judge.me stars to Google search results, rich snippets. If you've ever wondered how those star ratings appear under product links on Google, this is what powers them. Structured data, also called rich snippets. The good news is that judge.me includes this for you, so you don't need to code anything. You'll simply enable a setting, and judge.me will add the correct schema in the background so Google can understand your reviews. Start by opening the judge.me app inside your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head to Settings, then look for the section called Google and SEO. In that area, you'll see an option for rich snippets, sometimes labeled Review Snippet or Structured Data. Click Manage to view the detailed controls. Here, you want to make sure SEO rich snippets are enabled. This toggle is the key. When it's on, judge.me automatically injects JSON-LD structured data into your product pages that includes the average rating, the number of reviews, and the individual review information in a Google-friendly format. Take a moment to confirm the setting is saved. After you click Save Changes, judge.me immediately begins outputting the schema on your product pages. There's nothing else you need to configure for the stars specifically. From here, it becomes a matter of Google discovering and processing that data during its normal crawling. Stars in search are never guaranteed, and they don't appear instantly. It can take days or even a few weeks depending on how often Google revisits your site. A quick tip to avoid confusion. If your theme or another app already adds review schema, having duplicate product review markup can send mixed signals to Google. Judge.me's snippet is usually sufficient on its own, so it's best to rely on a single source of structured data. Also, make sure your product pages are indexable and loading cleanly, since Google needs to access the page to read the JSON-LD. If you're curious whether the data is present, you can inspect your product page source or use Google's Rich Results test to preview what Google can see. Keep in mind that Google decides when and where to show stars, and the quality and authenticity of your reviews matter. Continue collecting genuine reviews, keep product information accurate, and let the structured data work over time. That's it. By enabling SEO-rich snippets in judge.me and saving your changes, you've done what's needed to make your review stars eligible for rich results on Google.